Hello, everyone. John Marshall, the DrillMaster. I come in from working outside. I've spent days recording videos and doing all kinds of training and taking a break, working outside, and I see a link from a follower on Facebook, and I'm very thankful for that link. Absolutely. But I had to look at it. And make a video at the same time and I haven't watched this yet. So you're going to see natural reactions from the DrillMaster here. This is the inauguration for 2023.
Joint convention, please rise for the presentation of the colors by the Tennessee National Guard and remain standing while the invocation is led by the Honorable John DeBerry, Senior Advisor to Governor Bill Lee. Please remain standing for the Pledge of Allegiance to the flag and singing of the national anthem.
And again, the pledge and the anthem. I'm not necessary, but all right, fine. Haven't seen anything of this so far, but from what I understand, I Tennessee National Guard, what are you doing? What are you doing? Wow. You know, National Guard Bureau, what the hell? Sorry for the language, but my frustration level with this is just utter BS. Absolutely, I have no words for this other than complete leadership failure. Let me give you a little bit of history, everyone who wants to watch this. In the 1990s, all of a sudden we had a huge drawdown. Do more with less. Do more with less. The Cold War was over. During the 80s and the early 90s-ish, just the first couple of years, we had plenty of people in the military. At least plenty of people in the Air Force. Plenty of airmen everywhere. We could cover all kinds of different missions, and we weren't wearing 7 hats per airman trying to do all these different things. I was eventually at Davis-Monthan. We had an honor guard of 24, I think, maybe 25. We had 3 officers, plenty of NCOs and airmen. We're all airmen, but you get it. And then all of a sudden we had the massive drawdown, do more with less. And then we had more drawdowns and BRACs, base realignment and closure. More base realignment and closure. More drawdown, more this, more that. Today, we barely have anything. As far as people, enough people to cover the mission. The mission of the honor guard at the base and post level, no matter what service, is to render honors. Period. The first mission is to render honors for funerals. Secondary. And for a while, that wasn't even possible to form color guards. That was almost forbidden. Couldn't do retirement ceremonies. Couldn't do all kinds of things. This is after I retired in 2005. All of a sudden, there was massive restriction. I understand that you have your MOS, your AFSC. AFSC, for those of you who don't know, that's Air Force Specialty Code. That's the Air Force speak for the MOS, the military operational specialty. I understand that there's not enough people. What I don't understand is not preparing well enough to present the colors for the new governor of Tennessee. The same with Maryland, the same with several other states, South Carolina. What's with all of you? Whether you're Leos or National Guard, none of you are preparing. There's massive problems. Massive. Oh, good. You came in with the American flag leading. You're carrying the wrong staffs. You're carrying gold medal staffs. Gold colored. You're using the wrong hold technique. Guards, you're at port. Why are you at port? You're coming in from stage right. What does stage right require? Stage right requires every left on. That's the only way the U.S. military color guards enter from stage right, is with every left on. That's it. We don't do anything else. Now, law enforcement, sometimes firefighters, first responders, sometimes they come and form a U and fine, whatever. But every left on is the only way that the U.S. military color guards do this. And you screw this up royally. You don't have... and so for National Guard, I understand just carrying the especially mixed National Guard. So you've got Army National Guard, Air National Guard. You'd have to have both service flags in there to properly represent the whole team. And I get that with the number of people it would require. So carrying the state and the national, I understand that. It's just the situation currently. So, but your wrong staffs. It looked like you might have had the correct finials, but I'm not sure. So let's whoops. You have gold colored staffs, it looks like. Now, see, with me and colors aren't I don't do well with colors. So it could be silver. I'm not exactly sure. Still, it's a metal staff. They're not authorized. Not authorized, ladies and gentlemen. You have spades. I guess that could be silver. It kind of looked like gold for me, but maybe that's a reflection or something. Nope, wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Guards should have been at the outside shoulder, but you should have used every left on. You screwed up. You're out of step. You don't turn to the right for a colors turn on. What happened to step close? The slide. I was going to say right rifle guard, but she's not the right rifle guard. She's the left rifle guard, but should be the right rifle guard. You're not even wearing harnesses. What? Where are your belts, soldiers? The airman guard has his... he's flaring his left elbow. Really shouldn't be. It needs to be relaxed. The airman bearer needs to relax his right elbow. This is unacceptable. And you're at so singing the national anthem. You're still there. Did you ever go to present?
We thank you for our democracy, and we thank you.
Oh, that's the. I'm sorry. I thought he was. I thought he was the one to sing the anthem. Well, okay, so
Peacefully continued. So, Father,
so he gives the invocation.
We're gonna raise our right hand and we're gonna put it on our heart.
All right, so you went to present. How nice. Well, I'm just thoroughly disappointed. And, you know, it looks like the slings are mounted on the stacking swivel. That's not a good thing. Wow. And you coming into with that ridiculous half-step stomp. What's up with that as well? Is it more ceremonial? Did I miss the memo years ago that it's cooler? Wow. I'm so fed up with colors presentations lately. For years, I've been fed up with colors presentations, and this just makes me ill. This is the third inauguration colors presentation that absolutely just